What's up, guys? It's your boy GD back. We got the bike back from the shop. I could have done all this shit by myself. I told her, listen, man, your fucking idle is too low. That's all it is. No, the fucking shop has to fucking check on it. I'm like, listen, bro, all you gotta do is fucking raise that freaking idle and this thing won't die on you. And the fucking, guess what they did on the shop? Exactly. They raised the fucking idle. Oh my god. Listen, I know the Road Star and the Roadster, you know, one is fuel injected, one is carbureted. But low idle is low idle. So if you have a low idle, you got a fucking low idle, man. You gotta raise this shit. Obviously. Typical fucking low idle symptoms, right? But that's alright. We're back in the game. Fucker is running a little bit better now, as you can tell. Sounds good, runs good. Almost like my Warrior. Just kidding. This bike is nice, I like it. Look at that. All that fucking fancy schmancy fucking eagles here. Polish fucking eagle over there. Over here, over there, everywhere. Let me clean my lens, kurwa, because I don't know. Oh shit. Dawaj, kurwa, jedź szybko do chuja. Zapierdalaj, kurwa, roadsterem na Florydzie. Yeah, that was Polish, by the way. That was Polish. Yes, I do speak Polish. Ich spreche Deutsch auch. Für alle meine deutschen Fans out there. Oh, schau dir das mal an. Fucking Honda Rune or something, right? I think. Ja, ich spreche auch Deutsch. Ne? Ich bin ja in Hamburg geboren und so weiter. Aber ich spreche auch Polnisch, weil meine Eltern, die sind ja aus Polen, ne? Także ja też rozmawiam po polsku, kurwa. Akurat powiedziałem po niemiecku, że jestem z Niemczech, jestem urodzony w Niemczech, w Hamburgu, ale rodzice są, kurwa, z Polski, także говоришь по-русски? Да, давай, блядь. Хорошо, как дела, all my Russian friends out there? Wszystko dobrze? Da. For my Serbian friends, it's o, kako si, brate, šta ima novo, šta radiš? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You're gonna be like, motherfucker, it's all fucking international and shit, fucking tourist, fucking. Anyways, yeah, so they didn't fix this fucking fuel gauge. I don't know if he knows about that or not. Fucking reserve light is blinking, it's not blinking, so something is fucking going on over there. Like I said, idle is fixed. So I posted in the group, you know, about what are the best like performance mods on the Road Star. You know, on the Roadster Warrior, when it comes to cleaning the, not cleaning, upgrading the filter, you got the Baron's back, the fucking Patrick Racing back, and then you got the Churchkeys V back, right? Oh, you mother. Okay. And so that's what we have is when it comes to changing the stock airbox to something better. I don't know what the fucking options are on the Roadster 700, 1700, Roadstar, you know, whatever this is, Silverado, I guess. Oh, by the way, I said in the beginning this is a 2012. It's not, it's a 2004. Because I asked them. Anyways. So I recommended to him, bro, just get just get a Benson Hines Pro pipe, you know, a 2-in-1 exhaust. I also saw like on YouTube and stuff, I was doing some quick research. I saw that there is a Cobra HP power exhaust or something like that, a 2-in-1. I wonder how that compares to the Benson Hines Pro pipe. Anyways, I told him, listen man, either just change the pipe and don't do the fucking power command in the V-back or back, whatever, big air kit, or change the pipe, the you know, air cleaner, and get a power command and like do the whole thing, you know, and fucking dyno tune the bike if you really want to get power gains. So God knows what he's gonna do, either or. I mean, this is more than enough fucking power for a touring bike. It's not like you're gonna race that bitch, you know. Did you guys see my wristband? Fucking Germany, Germany, Deutschland, Deutschland, Schland. Fucking German, man, unreal. So yeah, did you guys watch the games today? It's fucking soccer game time, right? For the guys that watch soccer, shit like that. Ooh, where we going? Yeah, fucking drift that bitch. Yeah, Argentina fucking 1-1 against, who was that again? Iceland, right? Jesus fucking Christ, Argentina, really? Iceland? Yo, I mean, Iceland, no disrespect, you guys are fucking great to do a one-on-one to against Argentina. It's fucking awesome. Portugal, Spain, fucking great game. I mean, Ronaldo, motherfucker, huh? This guy, if they didn't have this kid, they will be done. They will be over. It's crazy how just one person can fucking like carry the whole game or the whole team, you know. But we will see. I can't wait for the Germany game, obviously. Deutschland, 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 and so far and so on, blah blah. And then obviously I cannot wait for the Kurwa Polish game. Polska, biało-czerwoni, Polska, biało-czerwoni. You know, jeszcze po kropelce, póki wódka jest w butelce. Right? That goes out to my Polish folks. And see how that goes. Oh yeah, that's right, Germany's playing against Mexico. That's what it was. Oh, Mexico is a fucking tough team, man. The Mexicana. They're a fucking tough team, man. Germany better get their shit going. So, and Poland, I don't remember who fucking Poland plays against you, man. Fuck, who was it again? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, kurwa. You hear that? Oh yeah. Look at that fucking lean angle, bitch. Lean. Lean. Yeah. Lean that bitch. Look at that. It's a great handling bike, man. Can't complain. Anyway, so my soccer tip is gonna be Germany is gonna win 3-1 against Mexico, and Poland is gonna win 2-0 or 2-0, I should say, against that other team. You know who I'm talking about. Yeah. People are like looking, what the fuck? How is this guy riding his fucking bike? It's not even mine. He doesn't ride it hard enough, so I still have to break it in for him, even though it's got fucking 23,000 miles. I'll break it in for you. Break it in. Break it in, motherfucker! He's like, you fucking asshole. Riding my bike like that. It's okay, it's my stepdad. I love you. You know, he loves me too, right? If you watch this video, I love you. Fucking subscribe though. If you don't subscribe, I take the love back. I like it, man. I fucking love this bike. It's nice. I just rode like the Victory cross country from a guy. I like this fucking better. I mean, handling is so much better on that thing. So much better. I can't lean on this too much, you know. I'm like used to the Warrior scraping packs and shit. I don't want to fucking mess up his fucking pride and joy. Right? You hear that? Oh yeah. Look at that fucking lean angle, bitch. Lean. Lean. Yeah. Lean that bitch. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. If you guys wonder where the fuck is my Warrior, well, it's on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast right now. Fuck the East Coast, too crowded. Here it's like all chilled, everybody is old. No, just kidding. I saw maybe 1 or 2 young people. Alright, let me fucking park this bitch for him. Let's see, look at this. Look at that bike stand over there. You see that red thingy? Guess who recommended him that bike stand? John Smith. I know you got one of these too. Because your boy GD told you about it. There we go. Alright, that's it. That was the ride. So I hope you guys liked it, and I guess I'm gonna see you back when I'm on the East Coast. That's GD Warrior. Like and subscribe on the video, and I see you then. See you. Bye.